Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. When given the chance to face someone or to share your presence with someone, what is it that you will be willing to give or to bring? Ano ang iyong ihaharap o ang iyong pwedeng maibigay? May iba may dalang magagandang kwento. May iba anino pa lang nakakatakot na. But I hope, like what we have heard in our readings today, what we can hopefully bring is God's mercy. What we can extend to one another is God's mercy, the mercy of the Lord in our life. After the long life of Sarah, Abraham laid her to rest. Hindi man po taga doon si Abraham, pero binigyan siya ng puwang, siya at ang kanyang asawa. Abraham wished a long and a prosperous life for his son Isaac, and thus the presence now of Rebekah. He entrusted his kinship to a servant as well. Malasakit hanggang sa huling hininga, pagtanggap, magandang pangarap, pagkakatiwala, all of these were ways how mercy was extended to them. We've also heard the story of the calling of Matthew. Matthew was then a threat to everyone. Wala sigurong nangangahas makipagkaibigan sa taong ito. A sinner, as what the people murmured during those moments. But Jesus called him. Jesus ate with them. Jesus confirmed his calling as his apostle. At muli ang mga ito, awa. Awa ng Diyos ang mga ito. In the like manner, my dear brothers and sisters, every day people or someone comes to us. Lalapit ang mga taong may concern. May mga taong bigla ang darating sa atin na magpaparamdam. May mga taong dadaan po sa ating buhay. Sometimes we do not know what to do. But the least thing we can offer, God's mercy. Simpleng malasakit, simpleng presensya, simpleng pagbibigay, simpleng magpagmamahal, at wala ng labis sa mga bagay na ito. The greatest gift we can share every day is God's mercy for you and for me. Let us never miss the chance of what we call every day, for every day is a chance to be merciful. Hindi lang pagpapatawad ang mukha ng awa ng Diyos. When we make room, when we suffer with, when we embrace someone, when we trust someone, when we love, we know that mercy goes on. And we know that mercy never dies.